South Africa woke up to astonishing figures this Monday. The infection rate had surpassed the 70,000 mark. 57 more deaths had been recorded, taking the total number of fatalities to 1,480, and a massive 4,302 more cases of the coronavirus had been recorded. Exactly a week ago, when schools opened, there were just over 50,000 infections. That number has since grown by more than 19,000. There is no correlation between the opening of schools and the rise of infection in numbers. What is of concern, though, is that close to 2,000 pupils have been reported to be infected and teachers are dying. Since schools reopened a couple of weeks ago, in fact last week, there's been a massive rollout of masks. PPEs have been the most important things. A lot of teachers, a lot of students, a lot of parents' concerns are whether their kids should go back to school.
We have 78 schools that I'm working with. So I then try to distribute them equally, with the result that most schools are getting between 122 to 135 masks, depending on the size of the school. In Annandale, where there are 13 schools, each school today will receive 135 masks over and above that they've received from the department.
These schools on the far south of Johannesburg are but a handful of the lucky ones to have had a chance to replenish their PPE supplies, as reports of substandard masks across the country continue. And are you happy with what has, as far as receiving these and the education, the curriculum, the revamping of the curriculum for 2020 is concerned?
We have been ready since Monday. We received learners. We are having 95% attendance. Learners that are not attending, a follow-up has been made to the parents, for the parents to find out as to what could be the problem. As I'm sitting here now, teaching and learning is going on at my school. We
know that the rollout is going to come and more students coming. In particular, there's those young ones, your grade 5s, your grade 4s, your grade 2s. The concern of them with masks, I mean, I know I've got a 7-year-old son and I'm sure he's going to come back home wearing somebody else's mask. What are the concerns as educators for you?
As educators, we are more concerned about that because the young ones, they need people that will be on duty to make sure that they supervise them, because we know at that age they are still young, they negligence. So we just need more people that will be involved to help in terms of the supervision.
The new masks and the personal protective equipment will go a long way in instilling peace of mind to these teachers and their students in their classrooms. But the number of increased infections across the country and COVID-19 related deaths now well over the 1,000 mark. Will it be enough to instill confidence in parents to send their children to school, as the Department of Education is expected to continue phasing in more grades over the next couple of weeks? I'm Tabi Sositola and cameraman Tabu Madilula in Johannesburg.